Hey guys, niyayazi film, movie, siphila is movie here in South Africa, you guys. News just came in not so long ago, guys, that senior advocate Corette Notiam, she is an advocate who is representing SARS in a case that is involving Mamkhize. She was shot 3 times, guys, outside her Durban hotel as she was arriving there. I guess these people were trying to assassinate her, but it is said that she is currently in intensive care. It said that the attack happened near the Gateway Shopping Center and it is currently under investigation. Yo, guys, a lot of people on Twitter or on the X, or rather on the X streets, are basically, pointing their fingers at Umamkhize to say what Umamkhize was trying her tricks since this advocate is, representing SARS. Yeah, people are like, hey guys, angazi, angazi. And then there's other people who are like, why are you guys attaching this lady's incident to Umamkhize? It's not like this lady was only dealing with one case, which is Mamkhize's case. There might be other people's cases which she was dealing with. And other people basically saying that, listen, it could possibly be Mamkhize doing whatever she does. Yeah, I don't want to say whatever she does best, but it could possibly be her, or it could possibly be someone else who is taking advantage of the situation because they know all eyes are on Mamkhize and she is more of a public figure who is well known. So they took the opportunity to try and eliminate this advocate while all eyes are on Mamkhize and her. Yo, guys, like really, like I just don't even get it. Why would someone do that to an advocate? Because the advocate is just merely doing her work. So why would you possibly want to assassinate her, or why would you want to take her out, like just because she's doing her job? Yo, guys, we know the source man, Vele. Like people say, you can't escape the source man, but she's merely doing her job. Guys, anyway, when you do get to listen to this, please do utter out a prayer for the advocates. I am sure her family, wherever they are devastated and really hoping for her speedy recovery, or really hoping that she makes it out of the intensive care that she's currently under. Tell me what you guys think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.